Hey there guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to unbox the iPhone 12 mini. So this one is the white version in 64 gigs. So this will be kind of quick, but not as quick as Jeremy Judkins' video where he unboxed his in like 30 seconds. We're not going to do that. Anyway, taking a look at the packaging real quick before we unbox it here, we have a picture of the phone right here. This one is a 5.4 inch display, so this one is definitely going to be tiny. And then just to compare the boxes here, this is my iPhone 12 Pro box, so it's a little bit taller. Same width, but just a little bit taller. Anyway, so we have a picture of the phone right there. We have iPhone on the side, Apple logo here on the top and on the bottom. And then on the back here, we do have what it includes. So it includes the iPhone 12 mini and USB-C to Lightning cable, and power adapter and headphones are sold separately, of course. So this one again is the iPhone 12 mini, white in 64 gigs. Let's go ahead and unbox it here. Alright, and let's see what we get in the package here. We get our beautiful white iPhone 12 mini. Oh man, that's crazy small. That's so cool. Wow, that's actually pretty light too. And then what else do we get in the box? Of course, we get our Lightning to USB-C adapter right here. No power adapter included, so if you're getting one of these, you're going to need to get one. And then we also get designed by Apple in California. And this includes our SIM card, our before using iPhone user guide, and then our one Apple sticker right there. All right, and here is the iPhone 12 in all of its glory here. Let's go ahead and take our front piece off here. So this just shows you the silent switch, the volume, and your power. And there it is. So really, really nice. This is really light too. Really surprising. So going around the device here, of course, we have that 5.4 inch display. We have on the side here our volume up and down, silent switch right there. We have our power key right here. You have a little window for the millimeter wave 5G. On the back here, we have that glossy white, and we have the two cameras and flash right there. And then just to compare to another small phone, here is the first generation iPhone SE. Very, very close in size here. So just taking a look right there. There is on top of it. And you can see they're very similar in size. Pretty crazy to think that we get another small phone in 2020 when we've had big phones this whole time. Let's go ahead and boot it up for the first time. All right, and here's our hello screen. So I'm very curious to see what version of iOS this comes with. So we'll select English, United States. We're going to set up manually. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi here. All right, and then it says it may take a few moments to activate your phone. All right, and here we are at the data and privacy screen, so we'll hit continue. We can set up Face ID, but we'll set that up later. You can create a passcode. We won't add one right now. And then you can restore from iCloud, restore from your Mac or PC, transfer from an iPhone, from Android, or don't transfer anything. We'll do that. We will skip this right now. So we're going to set that up later. And we get our terms and conditions. Express settings, continue. We won't do that right now. I'll set this all up later. I just want to get to the home screen to show you guys this. We have our True Tone display. And then you can choose light or dark mode. So the great thing here is this does have an OLED display. So as you can see, we get perfect blacks, really nice. You get standard or zoomed in view. We'll do standard here. And then welcome to iPhone. Oh, what happened? Did he crash? There we go. Okay. And here we are. So here we are at the home screen here. Looks really good. Let's see what version we get here with the phone. And it looks like we get 14.1. 14.1 right there. And then out of the box here, what do we get? So it looks like out of the box, we get 50.71 gigs to use out of the box. So if you were wondering how much you get out of 64, you get 50. And then in our camera here, we of course get quick take video, and then you do get the ultra wide. So you get that nice ultra wide camera. So if you're coming from a phone that doesn't have that, it's pretty nice. It'll take a big wide view of you. And then we have our front facing camera here. Here's a quick comparison between the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro. So you get the 6.1 on this one, and then you get the 5.4 on this one. And then if we add in the iPhone SE, that one has a 4-inch screen. So, alright guys, so this has just been a quick unboxing and setup of the iPhone 12 mini. So this is the white model here. So definitely stay tuned, I'll be making a couple more videos on this. And I do have a lot of case videos that I'll be making for this as well. So if you're looking for a case for your new iPhone 12 mini, stay tuned to the channel. Anyway guys, hope you liked this video. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.